Hey guys, here's a quick question for you. Are you marketing your marketing? And what do I mean by that, right? What do you mean, am I marketing my marketing? I'm already marketing. So here's what I mean. You do an amazing job for your clients, right? Your seller clients. You maybe have some drone photography, or you have some dusk or, early morning shots, dawn shots, dusk shots. You have a stager come in. You have amazing postcards built. You do some amazing social media marketing or website marketing for properties. You have this incredible videographer come in, these incredible HD photography come in. You write an incredible, ad for the property, some great copy, right? You do just an incredible job. And then the listing sells. It sells in the first 3 or 4 or 5 days or a week, and you get people top dollar for their properties. And so who's experienced the marketing in this case? Well, the buyers experienced it probably because they were exposed to the marketing. A small group of people that maybe are in your closest group will experience the marketing. And don't assume everybody's seeing it, because when you're on Facebook and Instagram and so forth, the same people keep saying the same stuff. It's not your whole audience. It's generally 4 to 6% of your audience is seeing any given social post. So really a very few people are seeing your marketing in general, the reality of it. So what am I going to do with my marketing to market my marketing? Well, one way you could do this is when you have a really nice listing, beautiful listing, photogenic listing, go all out, create the home book, go big with it, do the exclusive videography, do the whole shebang, the Matterport, do the whole thing. Make sure you treat it like an interview for your next listing. Then take that marketing and then turn it into an email to your entire database and just say, hey, guys, I just wanted to show off what we did with this listing. I'm so proud of the marketing we just did and it got the property sold in the first week. Check it out. Here's my video. Here's my home book. Here's my flyer. Here's my postcard. Here's my social media. Here's the whole package of what I did to help these sellers so fast. What's going to happen is you just interviewed for the job of